Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe on Patreon mobile app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, look at the top of your profile. Tap on profile icon in the top right corner. Now select settings. This opens your account settings. Now tap on manage membership or membership. Here you will see a list of all the creators you currently supported. Find the creator you want to unsubscribe from and tap on the profile. After that, tap on edit membership. Scroll down, you will see the option that says cancel membership or unsubscribe. Subscribe. Go ahead and tap on it. Patron may ask why you are leaving. You can pick any reason or just skip that step. It's up to you. Finally, tap confirm cancellation. Once you do this, your subscription is cancelled. You won't be charged again for the next billing cycle. And that's it. You have successfully unsubscribed from Patreon creator right on the phone app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.